Rice is one of the most widely consumed foods in the world, and for good reason. Not only is it versatile and delicious, but it also has a host of nutritional benefits that make it an excellent addition to any diet. In this video, we'll explore some of the key nutritional benefits of eating rice, so you can feel good about incorporating this grain into your meals. First of all, rice is a great source of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are an essential macronutrient that provides our bodies with energy. Rice is particularly high in complex carbohydrates, which are broken down more slowly by the body, leading to a slower release of energy. This can help you feel fuller for longer and prevent energy crashes throughout the day. In addition to carbohydrates, rice is also a good source of fiber. Fiber is important for digestive health and can help regulate bowel movements. It can also help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Brown rice is particularly high in fiber, as it hasn't been processed as extensively as white rice. Rice is also a good source of vitamins and minerals. Brown rice, in particular, is high in B vitamins, which are important for energy production and brain function. It also contains minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, and selenium, which are important for bone health, cell growth, and immune function. Finally, rice is a gluten-free grain, which makes it a great option for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivities. It's also a low-allergen food, making it a good choice for people with food allergies. Overall, there are many nutritional benefits to eating rice. Whether you prefer white, brown, or wild rice, incorporating this versatile grain into your meals can provide your body with essential nutrients and energy. As with any food, it's important to eat rice in moderation and balance it with a variety of other foods for a well-rounded diet. So next time you're looking for a simple, nutritious meal, consider reaching for a bowl of